Have you ever stopped to think that some of the most popular drinks might be sabotaging your health? Imagine discovering that the juice you buy to refresh yourself, the soda you drink to quench your thirst, or even that energy drink that helps you keep going, could be damaging your kidneys. That's right, the same drinks you consume daily can be silent villains. But don't worry, there's a solution. In this guide, we'll unveil the hidden dangers in everyday drinks and offer healthy alternatives you can adopt right now. Get ready for a revealing journey that will not only protect your kidneys but also transform your health in ways you never imagined. Curious? Then let's get started. Fruit punch. Imagine that refreshing moment after a hot day when you take a sip of store-bought fruit punch. It seems perfect, doesn't it? But what many don't know is that these drinks contain very little real fruit juice and are filled with added sugars. This dangerous combination can increase the risk of hypertension, obesity, and diabetes, which can lead to serious kidney problems. Therefore, it is always better to opt for homemade juices or consume whole fruits. Take, for example, freshly squeezed orange juice. Besides being an excellent source of vitamin C, it doesn't contain the processed sugars found in many shelf fruit punches. A practical tip is to always have some fresh fruits on hand and, when thirst strikes, prepare a natural juice. This simple habit can make a huge difference to your health, especially in protecting your kidneys. Another interesting option is to create your own recipes for healthy drinks. Try combining watermelon, mint, and coconut water for a refreshing and nutritious drink. This beverage not only quenches thirst but also provides important nutrients without overloading your kidneys with unnecessary sugars. By maintaining these precautions, you protect your body and better prepare yourself to choose healthier options in other drinks as well. Sodas. Who hasn't succumbed to a cold soda, especially on a hot day? However, these drinks are loaded with sugars and phosphates, which can lead to serious problems such as kidney stones and chronic kidney disease. Dark sodas, in particular, are the most harmful due to their high phosphate content. A healthier and equally refreshing alternative is to opt for sparkling water or kombucha, which offer a burst of flavor without compromising the health of your kidneys. For those who love that characteristic fizz of sodas, sparkling water with a touch of lemon or orange can be an excellent substitution. It not only keeps you hydrated but also avoids the harmful effects of traditional sodas. A practical example would be to add some cucumber slices and mint leaves to sparkling water for an elegant and kidney-friendly drink. Small changes like this can have a big impact on long-term health. Another point to consider is the growing popularity of kombucha. This fermented drink, besides being delicious, brings probiotic benefits that help digestion and overall health. By replacing soda with kombucha, you not only take better care of your kidneys but also promote a healthy intestinal balance. And remember, smart choices today can prevent significant problems tomorrow. Energy drinks. That colorful can of energy drink may seem like the perfect solution to combat fatigue and increase productivity, but you need to be careful. These drinks are rich in sugar, sodium, and caffeine, components that put enormous pressure on the kidneys. Excessive consumption can lead to acute kidney problems. Instead of resorting to these drinks, why not opt for herbal teas or homemade smoothies? They are healthier alternatives and offer more sustainable energy throughout the day. Imagine replacing your morning energy drink with a fruit smoothie with spinach. It's an option that combines flavor and nutrition, besides being much friendlier to your kidneys. Try mixing banana, spinach, a bit of oats, and almond milk for a revitalizing drink that provides energy and nutrition without the risks associated with energy drinks. Adopting this practice can not only improve your disposition but also protect your renal health in the long term. Another alternative is to explore the world of herbal teas. Mint, chamomile, or ginger teas not only help with hydration but also offer calming and digestive benefits. Imagine ending the day with a cup of chamomile tea, relaxing and taking care of your kidneys at the same time. Simple changes in daily habits can have a significant impact on overall health and, especially, on kidney health. Diet sodas. Diet sodas, although calorie-free, hide pitfalls that can be harmful to health. Filled with artificial sweeteners and phosphates, these drinks can double the risk of chronic kidney disease. Opting for naturally sweetened sparkling water, like with stevia, can be a safer and healthier choice. Avoiding these drinks in favor of natural alternatives is an important step in maintaining kidney health. A practical example would be to replace your diet soda with sparkling water with a touch of natural flavor. Adding some berries or lemon slices can transform simple sparkling water into a tasty and refreshing drink. This small change not only reduces the intake of artificial sweeteners but also promotes healthy hydration, essential for proper kidney function. Another interesting path is to experiment with new combinations of homemade drinks. How about flavored water with cucumber and mint? Besides being refreshing, this combination helps eliminate toxins from the body and keep the kidneys functioning properly. Remember, taking care of the kidneys with smart daily choices can prevent major problems in the future, and these healthy alternatives are a great start. Sweetened tea and coffee. Sweetened tea and coffee are a delight, especially in those moments of pause. However, the high sugar content and diuretic properties of these drinks can cause dehydration and kidney damage. Moderation is key here. Opting for unsweetened versions and controlling caffeine intake can be a great ally in preserving renal health. Imagine replacing your sweetened iced tea with an unsweetened version. An iced hibiscus tea, for example, is not only refreshing but also full of antioxidants that benefit health. Moreover, you can try various herbal teas that do not require sweeteners, such as chamomile or green tea. These options not only protect your kidneys but also offer a delicious and natural flavor. For coffee lovers, the tip is simple: reduce the sugar and try alternatives like coffee with almond or coconut milk, without additional sweeteners. It's also worth exploring the world of decaffeinated coffees, which help reduce the caffeine load on the body. Small changes like these make a big difference in daily kidney care, keeping them healthy and functioning well for much longer. Alcohol. A cold beer or a glass of wine can be tempting after a long day, but it's important to remember that excessive alcohol consumption can double the risk of kidney diseases and lead to dehydration. Moderation is crucial here. Staying hydrated and limiting alcohol consumption are essential steps to protect your kidneys and ensure long-term health. Imagine that instead of drinking several beers in one night, you decide to drink in moderation and alternate with water. This simple change can make a significant difference to kidney health. Additionally, choosing drinks with lower alcohol content and drinking water between drinks helps maintain hydration and reduce the negative impact of alcohol on the kidneys. Another effective strategy is to opt for lighter and healthier cocktails. For example, you can prepare a spritz with sparkling water, a touch of white wine, and some orange slices. This is an elegant and refreshing way to enjoy an alcoholic drink without overloading your kidneys. Remember, drinking in moderation and staying hydrated are essential practices to keep your kidneys healthy and avoid future complications. Low-fat yogurt drinks. Low-fat yogurts may seem like a healthy choice, but they often contain high levels of added sugar, which can impair calcium reabsorption and increase the risk of kidney stones. To protect your kidneys, it's better to opt for whole yogurts with little or no added sugar. This not only improves renal health but also offers more balanced nutrition. Imagine replacing your sweetened low-fat yogurt with a natural whole yogurt. Adding fresh fruits, such as strawberries or blueberries, can make the meal delicious and healthy without the harmful sugars. This simple practice not only protects your kidneys but also enriches your diet with essential nutrients. Another excellent option is to try homemade fermented drinks, such as kefir. Rich in probiotics, kefir promotes intestinal health and, consequently, renal health. Preparing these drinks at home allows you to control the amount of sugar and ingredients, ensuring a healthier choice. These small changes in daily yogurt consumption can have a significant impact on the protection and maintenance of your kidney health. Now that you know the hidden dangers in common drinks and the healthy alternatives to protect your kidneys, it's time to act. Think about how these simple changes can positively impact your life and health in the long run. Are you willing to continue consuming drinks that harm your kidneys, or will you adopt habits that protect them and improve your quality of life? Ask yourself, which of these changes can you start implementing today? What will be the first steps to transform your drink routine? Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Subscribe to the channel and activate notifications to continue learning about how to better take care of your health and make smarter choices in your daily life.